Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on location and signing into your Google account so maps can show accurate results. Once done, gather the person's known details, full name, last known city, or phone number, and confirm whether they shared their location with you. Open Google Maps on your phone or browser and make sure you selected the standard map view. Now you're ready to search directly and use features that will narrow results quickly. Type the person's name or phone number into the map search box and scan profile cards and place results. Sometimes people appear via businesses or profiles. Next, open the menu and tap location sharing. If they've shared with you, it shows immediately, otherwise request a share link. Once you have entries, use timeline to check recent movements and the nearby or search filters to narrow by city or time. Make sure to refine with a radius and timestamp for precise searching. When you find a candidate location, confirm it by checking the timestamp, photos, and street view so you know it's correct. If nothing appears, make sure the person's privacy settings allow sharing and ask them to reshare their location or provide a last known address. For common issues, toggle GPS, restart the app, clear cache, and update Google Maps. Also verify you're signed into the right account. If problems persist, request live sharing link directly for immediate confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.